Hi guys, for today's session, session 3, this is my DIY activity. For this I have created a program. It is a game actually. It is called Word Scrambler. Okay, for this I have used two sprites. One is Toby and the other one is Ol. Okay, for Toby's code, these are the coding as you can see. For this I have used an array and also couple of functions, and for all I didn't use anything special. It's just importing some time and delaying for 5 seconds. Okay, so let me go full screen to show how the game works. So when I click the run all button here, the all will display couple of keys to be pressed for every 3 seconds. A for add, P for play, S to stop, to show the list, and D to delete any word. Okay, since this is a word scrambler, we have to add some words first. So for this, let me try to add these words to store in the array. Okay, first I'm going to press A to store a word in the list. First I'm going to store Stampedia added to the list. Again I'm going to press A. Now I'm going to press the word Python added to the list. Again I'm going to press A. Now I'm going to store PictoBlox. Again I'm pressing A to store more words. What else? Okay, array and function. So array added to the list, and last one function. Okay, so these words will be scrambled, and then the game is we have to guess the correct word when the scrambled word is shown to us. So let me first press S to show the list of the words that we have. Words in my list are Stampedia, Python, PictoBlox, array, and function. Okay, now I'm going to press the P button in order to play the game. So this is the word, and I have 3 attempts to guess the correct word. So let's say if I make some mistakes and I just key in wrongly, so it will tell not quite right. So I have my second attempt. Again I'm wrong, and let's say all 3 times I have key in some wrong words. So out of attempts, the word was function and my score was 0. Okay, so I'm going to play again by pressing P. This time this is the unscrambled word, and now I have to guess the correct word. So based on the wording that I could remember just now, I think it was an array. So when I press array and enter, so Toby will be telling correct, and my score is 1. Again, let's say if I want to add more word in the list, I can always press A and say if I want to enter medicine, and then again I'm going to press A to enter some other word, say scratch. Okay, so now when I press the play button, the words in my list will be randomly chosen and showed to me. So the words that was unscrambled, I have to guess it correctly. So I didn't take notice of the word just now, so never mind. I'm going to press function. It was not function. Let's say I key in wrongly. Okay, the word was function. Okay, my score is still 1, and let's say if I'm pressing A again. Okay, unscrambled word, this one, so I have to guess the correct word. Say I know this one, medicine. So correct. Just now my score was 1, right? So now my score becomes 2. So let's say if I want to delete any words in my list. First, I'm going to press S to see what are the words in my list. Stampedia, Python, PictoBlox, array, function, medicine, scratch. Say I want to delete the word medicine. So I'm going to press the D button, and I'm just writing the medicine word to be removed. So once I click medicine, the medicine word will be removed from my list, and again if I press S, the words in my list will be shown, and if you notice, there's no medicine in my list. That's it, guys, for my DIY activity 3 for today. Thanks for watching, and I see you on other video. Bye for now. I'm going to stop the game now. Okay guys, bye.